Hi, I'm going to teach you how to create your own universe. First, you click twice on the Universe Image Creator application. It will load just like this, and I'll tell you about each part. We've got the menu bar here. Then here is our tool area and objects area. There are several tools you can use. If we click down on the down arrow, you'll see all of these different items. For each one of them, you have different options available. If you click on this box here with a pencil, you can turn off and on this option area. Also, you'll see that the options change depending on which tool you select. So if I select this one, I have different options. Usually what you do is you click on the star field first, and then when you click in the middle, this will show that star field. Right now it's empty because there's nothing in your displayed here in your area. Once I click once, then voila, the star field is displayed. This number just represents this particular star field. If I want, I can have this one with white stars, and I can add another one. And if I click in the middle, it'll place it there. And the second one, I'll give it different color stars, maybe yellow. And I'll make the yellow ones a little denser and maybe a little bigger. If I don't like how those yellow ones have been placed, I click on the randomize button, and it will give another sampling of those stars. Other tools include Interstellar Gas. This is my favorite. If I click here, you'll see the Interstellar Gas tool at work. If I don't like this pattern, once again, I just come over here to the randomize button, and I click it again, and you'll see different patterns until you get one that you like. You'll also see that now I have two star fields and one interstellar gas. And remember, one of the star fields has yellow stars. Looks greenish yellow to me. And then the other one is the default white. All of them can go back to the default settings. All you do is select it and then hit Restore Defaults, and it will return. A tool that's kind of neat is the Planet tools. I'm going to pick Neptune. If I click anywhere in the area, it will just draw the planet. This box will go away once it's not selected. If I click here, you'll see. When I clicked here, I actually selected the interstellar gas. If I want to go back to the planet, I click on the objects and I select it. Now, this shows that this is the one that you're working with. And here are the options for that planet. Neat things about the planet include the ability to rotate it on its axis by clicking on this orientation button, which acts like a toggle. It's like an on-off switch. With it pressed, and you come over here and you just click and drag with your mouse, you'll be able to change its rotation. Actually, I think you're changing the axis. Next is the location button, which works like the orientation button. It toggles it on and off. When you're in location mode and you click anywhere, you're actually moving the object. Last, I wanted to go over two things. First, the Animate button. When you click on the Animate, all of those objects that can spin will spin. Next happens to be this one, the initial camera. This product is based on a game engine, which means it's really more like a 3D space. See how I can move all over the place and get lost? Well, if I move over the place and I don't know where I am, I can click View and then Initial Camera, and it will bring me back to where I was originally. Finally, if I wanted to save it, I have a few options. I can save the image scene that universe will be able to reopen and place back exactly as you have it, or I can save the image, which would be like a JPEG or a PNG file, by selecting Save Image. And that's about it. If you have any questions, please contact us on our contact page at universeimagecreator.com. Thank you.